Welcome dear student. Student, in our previous video we did the introduction of the chapter sets of class 9. Okay, so in today's video we will solve practice set of the lesson sets 1 and it's very simple exercise. In this video we will solve this exercise by using two methods of writing the set. First is the roster method and next is the rule method. Okay, that means method or roster method is the same, and second rule method or set builder form. Okay, so by these two methods to solve the exercise. So let's start. So first from this exercise is write the following sets in a roster form. Okay, so roster form that in the column we will write the all the elements of the set. Okay, so first question is set of even natural numbers. Now even natural number is starting from 1. All right, so here it is given that even natural number, so we will write the set like first we will write the capital letter. All right, capital letter is equals to, then we will put curly bracket. Now inside curly bracket here it is given even natural number, so even natural number will be 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 and up to infinite. Okay, there are up to matlab, all right, so there are infinite numbers. Okay, now second question, so this is how to write the set by a roster method or listing method, in which we are separate each element of the set by comma. Okay, so our question number 2 is set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. Okay, so first of all, what are the prime numbers? So student, these are the number which can be divisible by 1 and the number itself. Okay, so these are the prime numbers. So we have to write the set of even prime number from 1 to 50. So first we will write all the prime numbers from 1 to 50, then we will take the even prime number. Okay, so the prime numbers between 1 to 50 are like here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29 also, 31, 37, 41, 43 and 47. So these are the prime numbers between 1 to 50 and we have to choose here even prime number. All right, so in between these number the even prime number is only one, that is our 2. Okay, so how we will write the set? Like we can write the set B, capital B is equals to curly bracket 2. Okay, bracket close. So this is a set of even prime number from 1 to 50. Now third question is set of a negative integer. So set of a negative integers we can write from 1 only. C, capital C is equals to curly bracket -1, -2, -3 and up to so on. There are infinite negative integers. So all right, so fourth question is 7 basic sounds of sargam, that is sur. So we know the basic sargam of basic sound of a sargam are sa, re, ga, ma. Okay, so we will write this sargam in the set in the form of a set. So we will write D. Here the set we can take any alphabet, but it should be capital letter. Okay, curly bracket sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. Okay, curly bracket close. So these are the 7 basic sound of a sargam. Now let's move to the question number 2. Alright, so student, our question number 2 is write the following symbolic statement in words. So here symbolic statement are given and we have to write this symbolic statement in the words. So let's start. So first question is, this is a rational number 4 upon 3 q. Okay, so what does it mean? That means in yesterday video we have seen that fraction 4 upon 3 belongs to q, or we can write as 4 upon 3 is an element of set q. So let's write 4 upon 3 is an element of set Q. Okay, so here also same, but here this symbol is there. So what does it mean? This means that -2 is not an element of set n. Okay, now question number third is, this is given. So student, what does it mean? This is given in the form of a rule method. Okay, so how we will read this? We will read it like that set P. Okay, here set P is given, so we will write set P is a set of all P's such that P is an odd number. Here odd number is given, right? So P is an odd number. So this is a word statement of the symbolic statement. Okay, so question number 3 is given that write any two sets by listing method and by rule method. So student, this is this is so simple question. In this you can take any of the example, and two example you should take, and the two example you will write by listing method also and by rule method also. Okay, so this you can do it by your own. Okay, now let's move question number 4. Okay, students, our question number 4 is write the sets using listing method. Okay, so listing method is a simple type of a method, that is we will write the sets in the curly bracket. Okay, simple. Now first question is all months in the Indian solar year. So for this question, first of all, student, you should know the all the months of Indian solar year. Okay, so let's write it in the bracket, curly bracket. So first we will take a set. Okay, set, here we are taking the set A is equals to curly bracket. Now we will write start writing all the names of the Indian solar months of the Indian solar year. Okay, so first we will write Chaitra, next is Asvina, then Vaishakha, next we can write as Jyeshta, next will be Ashar, next we can write Shravana, Bhadra, next it will be Kartika, and Agrayana, Posh, Magha, and Falguna. Okay, so these all are the months in the Indian solar system. So this is how we will write it in the listing method. Now question number 2 is letters in the word complement. Okay, so to write the set, there is one rule to write this type of a set, that is if the letters are repeating or if the elements are repeating, then we should write the element only at once. Okay, so we will take we can take set B here. So set B will be C O M P L E and T. Okay, so here we are not repeating the element E, we will write only at once. Now question number 3 is set of a human sensory organs. This is so simple. Set of a human. Let's write. C, set C is equals to curly bracket nose, ears, eyes, tongue, skin. Alright. Now question number 4 is set of a prime numbers from 1 to 20. Just now I have explained you what are the prime numbers, the number which can be divisible by 1 or by number itself. So here 1 to 20 now. So this is so simple. D is equals curly bracket 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So these are the prime numbers from 1 to 20. Okay. Now next question is name of continents of the world. We know there are 7 continents of the world in the world. Okay, so let's write it. Capital E is equals to set E is equals to Asia, Africa, then Europe, then Australia. Next it will be Antarctica. Then next is South America and North America. So these all are the continent of the world. Sorry. Okay. Now next question is question number 5, that write the following sets using rule method. Okay. So again this is simple. Here student, if you will observe what are given here, the square numbers are given up to from 1 to 100. Okay. So let's write it in the rule method. So here set A is given, so we will take set A only, not any number. Okay, so set A will be x such that x is equals to n square. That means square, it can be any number, that is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. All right, and comma n is a element of set n. Okay, sorry, n is a natural number, and n is, here we can read it as n is less than 1 and it will be greater than 10, because here square from 1 to 10 are given. All right, now second it will be B. Okay, set B is given 6, 12. So here table of 6 is given. Okay, so how we will write, set B is equals to x such that x is equals to 6 and n belongs to n is greater than 8. Okay, it is greater than 8. Now next is, again this is simple, the word smile is given. So how we will write, we will take set C is equals to y. Here we are taking y such that y is a letter in the word smile. All right, sorry for this, smile. Okay, so question number 4 is, here set D is given, and what are given here inside the curly bracket. So D is a set of what, set days of weeks are given. Okay, so we can write it by in the rule method that D is Z. Here we are taking Z. Okay, Z is a such that Z is a day of a week. That means it can be any day, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, any. Okay, now here set X is given, and inside the bracket here AET is given. That means eat. Okay, we can take eat, word eat. Okay, so here again we are taking Y element, so Y is a letter in the word eat. So student, this was all about practice set 1.1, and next we will do in our next session. Thank you.